This brief video will introduce the features of BSR-50 media for the removal of hydrogen sulfide from landfill gas and present a recent case study of the application of BSR-50 at a landfill. First of all, what exactly is BSR-50? BSR-50 is a dry hydrogen sulfide removal media, and it has the highest capacity of all media currently on the market. This remarkable new media is engineered to be a direct replacement of iron sponge and activated carbon in existing dry media hydrogen sulfide removal systems. BSR-50 is formulated as a granulated pellet that has an integral pore structure. This pore structure enables the reaction chemistry to occur not only on the pellet surface, but through the entire volume of the pellet. Now we will look at a case study at a southern Texas landfill. This landfill produced 6,500 standard cubic feet per minute of landfill gas, but the operators were limited to process only 5,600 due to the limitations of the iron sponge media. The landfill gas averages 800 ppm of hydrogen sulfide. The existing equipment was a lead lag vessel system. It was designed to make it easier to remove the iron sponge when it agglomerates into huge bricks. Each vessel contained 110,000 pounds of media and was replaced every 3 to 4 weeks. The situation changed significantly once BSR-50 media replaced the iron sponge media. BSR-50 has roughly 1/3 the density of iron sponge media, so the 110,000 pounds of iron sponge was replaced with 33,000 pounds of BSR-50. Immediately, the hydrogen sulfide in the product gas was reduced to below detection levels, which allowed the landfill operator to treat the full flow of the landfill. The time between media changeout was extended from 3 to 4 weeks to 15 weeks, and the time required for the changeout reduced from 5 to 7 days to only 2 days. Calculating the removal capacity, the BSR-50 media removes slightly better than 1.1 pounds of H2S for each pound of BSR-50 media. The landfill benefited from increasing revenue by processing all the gas from the landfill, and also reducing costs for the changeouts being less frequent and less expensive. To summarize, BSR-50 has the highest capacity of any media in the industry, removing better than 1.1 pounds of H2S for each pound of BSR-50 media. BSR-50 is non-bricking, and thus does not require extra labor to remove bricked media from the vessels. BSR-50 ensures reliable performance as it will operate over a wide range of landfill gas parameters that will fluctuate daily, seasonally, and over the life of the landfill. Contact Guild Associates for a no-obligation evaluation of your H2S removal system. We can evaluate your application to determine whether BSR-50 is a good fit. Thank you for your attention.